Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today's video, I'm gonna start off with a few things I actually got from one of my buddies, and this one I actually got from a subscriber, so that's pretty neat. This is actually my buddy's company, Sheesh, and he makes a lot of pins, a lot of anime style clothing. If you guys can see here, this is Naruto inspired. He actually just got his Instagram recently deleted, but if you guys can, please give him a follow. I'll put the Instagram right here for you guys. It'd mean a lot if you guys could check him out. I went ahead and opted for the long sleeve because it is winter. Well, it's going to be winter. Damn. It's embroidered and everything. Check this out. That is clean. And here are the stickers. This is sick. I'm gonna put this somewhere on my car for sure. You guys can see. This Peeper one is freaking awesome. This is like when he was a kid, but with his awakened powers, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm super hyped on this. Thank you again so much to the guys over at Sheesh. Next thing we got actually already opened, but subscriber got me this and it's so freaking tight. Holy shit. It's a little Lexus IS. Yeah, see that? That is so freaking tight. If you guys don't know, I actually really love Hot Wheels or like little die-cast cars, and I actually mod them. I don't do it often and I'm not that good, but I'm gonna try to make this car look like my own. What do you guys think? Do you want to see me turn this into my car? Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you want me to do it. I'll definitely do it, and I'll show you guys little by little throughout the channel, like updates on how it's looking and stuff. This car already has bags. Sick. But anyways, thank you to the subscriber. You're amazing. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get today's video started. So you guys can see I have the Sheesh long sleeve on. This thing is quality, comfortable, freaking so nice. I love it. Today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be hanging out with my girlfriend Ivana, if you guys remember her, and we are just going to have a daily vlog, just take you guys along. So the first thing that I actually do every single day before I go to work, before I go anywhere, is always check my car. Go around, see if there are any new marks that I haven't seen before. Now the sun is out and I can, see everything. And then once I'm done with that, I go ahead and check my tires. Now that I'm running -7 camber, I just like to check just in case. Fun fact, I actually do have a nail in one of my tires and I'm gonna go get it patched soon, but it's not leaking air, so it's good, kinda. I have such a good spot for this, dude. Oh my God, check this out. Bam! That is gonna be so perfect. Alright guys, so we are going to go eat and we're gonna take you guys along to one of our favorite Korean barbecue spots. If you guys are ever out in the valley, you have to try this spot. I always recommend this to every single one of my friends, coworkers, whoever, and when they go, they tell me, Jason, dude, this is the best thing ever. Oh babe. She's just excited because we're gonna go eat. Yeah, you know how it be when you have a girlfriend. They just all love to eat. Me too.
Oh shit! I already noticed it immediately. That looks sick. I love it. It looks good.
It's in like a perfect spot,
That's
right?
a cute spot for it, yeah.
So guys, check this out. Bagged alive, bro. Shit. If only. But yeah, now that I have more negative camber, it is a little bit more of a pain to get out of my driveway, but it's all good, as long as I'm still able to get out. I just feel bad for my exhaust because I stay scraping it everywhere. It's not even just scraping, like I'm dragging it too. Look at that clearance. I'm kind of considering going to build to spec from the last video because Dom will be able to make me new brackets and tuck it up a little more so it's not as low. What do you guys think? Should I do that? I feel like I should, especially now that I'm like half an inch lower because of the camber, but let me know. You ain't getting me today, coppers. So we just made it to the restaurant. It is my favorite Korean barbecue spot ever. Bye, I love you. You ready to eat?
Yes.
It is Ace Gogi. All you can eat gogi. If any of you guys fucks with bulgogi and Korean barbecue, you have to go to this spot. If you're ever in Van Nuys. You have lunch and dinner. These are all the meats that you can get right here. Every single thing on here is amazing. I love the bulgogi, spicy bulgogi, steak, kalbi, chadal, tum, no, not tum, garlic. The black pepper is lit. These are like other add-ons, but all of this stuff you get for free. It's included, and it's all you can eat. Look at that. You can even get ramen if you wanted.
You get spicy garlic noodles.
And then you can get your soft drinks and alcohol. So we're gonna get bulgogi, black pepper, and kalbi for right now. Damn. Why are we eating this when I could just be eating you? By that I mean eating her ass. Everyone needs to fucking shut up so I can fucking vlog.
I'm so excited. I'm so hungry.
Alright guys, at most Korean barbecue places, you want to get the salad, but not here. If you guys like spinach, you need to get spinach. Dip it in the brisket sauce. Oh my god.
Ew.
The most flight thing here. Guys, look at this. Fire. Guys, we weren't playing. Look at this. I told you, this thing is the best. Oh, guys, that was so amazing. Best place. So you don't make that much YouTube money. The best thing about this place is they give you this yogurt when you're done. One time I came though, and I guess they like messed up our order a little bit, and they brought out 4 of those for me. Oh my god, it's the best thing ever.
Delightful.
And this is coming from us, and we are not dessert people at all. Hey, 420 blaze it. Oh, too late. Babe, what is on the agenda for tonight?
We are going to downtown Disney.
And why is that?
Because my boyfriend's too broke to take me to Disneyland.
Alright, so we made it to downtown Disney in one piece. Oh, this is your first time to downtown Disney, huh? I don't think I've ever taken my car to Disneyland, actually. Woohoo, we made it.
We made it.
Ooh. Guys, look how pretty it is. Pretty? I haven't been here in so long, I forgot that you don't need to go to Disneyland just to come here to hang out. Starbucks? Disney is notoriously known for overpriced pins. Look at him trying to curve her. That is so cute. Dude. Aw.
Baby.
That's what our baby's gonna look like. Yellow.
Little donuts.
Donuts.
Nice. I got your back.
I can't even see myself. I'm so tiny.
You look cute. All the food. Churros. Can we get one? Can we get one? Can we get one? Ooh. Guys, how pretty is this place? It's almost like an outdoor mall. There's so much to do. There's like concession stands for food. There's restaurants. There's Mulan. What's up, sister? Okay, so Ivana's been telling me to try this place What do they have here?
Like crazy shakes and stuff.
We're gonna get a big ass shake. Guys, which one do you think we should get? The strawberry shortcake, the cookie shake, the Brooklyn blackout, Bam Bam shake, or the cookies and cream supreme?
Look, crazy because of the strawberry shortcake.
What is that?
It's like a caramel thingy.
No, I love fruit food. So freaking good. That would go really good with the shake we're gonna get. Do you think I can get a strawberry shortcake crazy shake? 84. Thank you. Home is where the heart is. Oh my god. Look at how big this is. Hold it. Look how big that is. That is the greatest milkshake I've ever seen.
You can even smell it. Like, literally, like...
It smells like strawberry shortcake. Oh my god. Guys, we're not dessert people, but we've always wanted to try this. She's told me about this, and I've been wanting to go to downtown Disney anyway, so let's get it. Do we eat it first or do we drink it?
Wait, there's no straw. How do we drink it?
I don't even know where you stick it in, just... Yeet.
So thick.
That's what she said.
Babe.
Oh. Oh. Life-changing. Ah, brain freeze. Guys, this was 15 bucks. It's a Sunday infused shake with ice cream and candy. 3 in 1. Yay! How the hell do you eat this? I'm not down. Girls doing girl things. Ooh. Oh. So big. Guys, so World of Disney is pretty much the main reason why people come here. Because you can get everything over at Disneyland without going into Disneyland. Food. You guys already know. Had to spoil the bay. Once you hit World of Disney, you can't really go any further because then that's just going into Disneyland, and if you don't have any tickets, you can't get in. I recommend this place, especially if you guys are not from California and you want to come out here and just visit with family and you don't have money to buy Disneyland tickets like us. Definitely recommend coming here. It's fun. Come walk around, eat some food, and look at a bunch of stuff.
There's a ton of restaurants.
Yeah, they really do. Lots to pick from.
Throw. Why did you throw it at the ground?
Let's get it!
All right, Cooper. Throw me the ball.
So many to pick from. I went with the rose gold. Cause you know me, we got that gold, baby. Excuse me, miss, that's my churro.
Yours is mine, baby. What's wrong with you?
I can't deep throat.
Yeah, it sounds like a personal problem.
Oh my Christ. Oh no, police officer. They're gonna give me a ticket. Let's see what your boyfriend bought you. What overpriced item do we have here?
Disneyland.
Ooh, tie-dye and it's sparkly.
I love it.
How many times do you think you're gonna wear it?
Forever and ever and
Yeah,
ever.
right. Yep, don't forget, always spoil your girlfriend. She thinks that I bought it for her because I love her, but you have to spend a minimum of 20 or more to get your parking validated.
Oh, shit.
I'm kidding.
Well, my shirt was twice that much, so.
We cannot end the night without getting our usual, which is boba.
Boba. I'm
This-
a boba Maniac.
This one's a little boba maniac. We gotta get her fix.
I need it. I didn't get it yesterday.
I love seeing cars. Whose ugly car is this? Ugh. Jesus, what the fuck? I didn't think you were gonna do that. Thank you, sir. And we have made it to 7 Leaves. Shut up, dude. I'm trying to vlog.
Got my card punched.
Here, have a present. What I got was cream top jasmine tea with boba.
I got a strawberry hibiscus tea with aloe in it.
Babe, I feel really bad for the next person that's gonna use the bathroom because I left them some bulgogi.
You were in there a long time.
It smells so bad in there because of me. Oh, whale. Let's go home. Thank you guys so much for watching the video if you did, all the way till the end. That's pretty much it. That's all we did today. Hopefully it wasn't too boring for you guys. More videos to come with car content. I just wanted to take you guys along and show you guys what we do on the weekends. We just go eat and hang out. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, of course. Always.
Now we are going to just go back inside, watch some Disney Plus. She needs to give me a facial because my face is breaking out. Probably just gonna watch Iron Man 3. You guys need to hop on Disney Plus. That shit is amazing. I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good.
Oh!
Hey, are you okay? Good, because I'm throwing a meet on the 21st of December. Here's the flyer. It's gonna be at the All Aspects Warehouse in Canoga Park. Be there or be square, 7 p.m. to whenever. And I know you guys didn't get to make it to the last meet, so now's your chance. Come out, hang out, see some dope cars, and be in the vlog. I'll see you guys then.